Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to uninstall Microsoft Store apps in 2025. Whether you're tidying up your Windows device or freeing up space from those apps you no longer use, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother uninstalling Microsoft Store apps? Well, they can take up valuable storage, slow down your system, or just clutter your interface. Plus, with Windows updates in 2025, the process is even more streamlined. So, grab your mouse or keyboard, and let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button, then selecting the gear icon, or simply searching for Settings in the search bar. It's that easy. Step 2. Once in Settings, navigate to the Apps section. This is usually found on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device, including those from the Microsoft Store. Step 3. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the specific app you want to uninstall. Click on it to open its details page. Step 4. On the Apps page, look for the Uninstall button. It might say Uninstall directly or have a three-dot menu where you can select it. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Windows will handle the rest. If you're dealing with built-in apps that won't uninstall this way, you might need to use PowerShell. Just open PowerShell as an administrator, type in a command like get apex package appname, remove apex package, and hit enter. But be careful with this one. And there you have it. Your device is now lighter and faster. Remember, always double-check before uninstalling anything important. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.